Hey everybody, Butsy's returned again. He's such a fresh little boy. Fresh. Sometimes, just sometimes, he drives me crazy. Drives me insane. That is the way he does me. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do just, I don't know, we're just picking up shit and doing a video. I'm kind of chatting more than I have been in the past few of mine. Like, I normally chat like crazy. So, to be perfectly honest, I have been filming, but I have wiped off my foundation. And the other makeup because, namely, I am trying not to use foundation right now because it's breaking me out terribly. So we're just going to start to play with some stuff and not even worry about foundations and all that crazy stuff. How's that? How is that? Amazing. You mean you don't have to wear foundation? No. No, you don't. Please stop thinking you do. I don't know what I'm doing with this. This really needs, this is an O for palettes in my drawer. I just don't touch it. What am I doing? In here is a couple of little palettes from Natasha Denona that I keep in here when I don't feel like doing anything else. I'm looking for some bronzer. So I have this bronzer and glow. It's called the Film Strip Bronze and Glow palette, and I think this is the light one. It's the fair medium. I could have darkened up a little bit, but I didn't. So let's just move on. All right, so we're gonna do a look. Just like I said, we're just grabbing stuff. Just grabbing. So this bronzer right here is not, it's not real dark. It's very natural. More so than some of the other bronzers I have. So we're just gonna, you know, use it up. Don't you like how I act up sometimes? Sometimes I act up because I'm crazy. Crazy. Yeah, yeah. This drawer has got more junk in it than any other drawer. Here's another. This is a full size. This is my peak. It came in a kit thing. You know. Crap I get. I'm being crazy. Okay, so I also pulled out my blush and glow, I think is what it's called. Yeah, the Natasha Denona, this one. I've never used this. So we're just gonna yeah. So this is, oh, actually I really like that. It's more like a glittery highlighter, but I do like it. I like it. I always put it under my brow bone. I just like the way it matches up with the highlighter. Just kind of ties everything together. So I'm just kind of dotting it all over my face because I don't know what else to do. And then, maybe then, I'm going to put on a little bit of blush. I really like this here. It's a powder blush. That's a cream blush. It's a Duo Glow. It's a glow cream. Rose. I don't know what that says. Like, do I really need foundation? I'm not being sarcastic or anything, but do I? I don't think I do. I just the stuff I do to my face. Okay, I'm gonna put that back in here. Where we had it? No, I don't want to do that. All right. So this is my Makeup Addiction Vintage palette. I've had it forever and I love it, but I feel like I could be loving it more. And you know, what do I mean by that? It's just that I don't think I use all the shades the way I should use them. So we are going to get a bigger blending brush. This is a Morphe M433. It's a different kind of blending brush. And I just think that I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This also has a mirror. Whoops. So we're gonna go into that orange. We're going to, doesn't look like it's going on very well. Normally this stuff is fabulous. Fabulous. But I've had it for a long time. Wow. Now you're talking. Now you're talking my color. Yeah, I think you just had to break it up. It had been sitting, was not happy. Needed some love, which is why I should use these things more or donate them. My sister said that Mo has too much now and that her brothers are bothering her stuff. Okay, sorry about that. I was like, had stuff on my eyes. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is a shimmer orange shade. Shimmery orange. Wow. A little pickle. Okay, so I'm gonna do something a little bit different And I normally do. I'm going to go into that dark purple and kind of make that happen. Whoa, that is kicking up. I think I like it. I think I like it. Yeah, I like it. What do you people? Tell me what you think about this stuff, because otherwise I think it looks good, and then you guys are like, oh, it looks not good, Susan. Like, what are you trying to do to yourself? That's right. How goes it, gals? I like it. Just something. Been busy throwing away things, and therefore I don't have anything. I really, really like that. There she is. Oh no, no, it's going through all my lippies and saying, what the heck? Whoops, that's a MAC, and it is code. Damn if I know. I can't read this stuff anymore. I need to get me like a magnifying glass. I keep saying that. I never buy one. These are my Sephora eye liner things. It's like a big chubby pencil. Fabulous. Okay, so yeah, that's a look with my Makeup Addiction vintage palette. This palette is, I think, on sale right now. They sent me some notifications and a coupon, so I'm sure it's not just available to me, it's available to everyone. All right, lovelies, I hope you like this look. It just reminds me that I really do like this palette. I probably wasn't using it to the best it could be used, but what do you think? Love you guys. Mwah.